Okay, welcome back. What I wanted to continue with is Unit 307, okay, and we are now doing Session 5, Safe Testing. Now, this is relevant to you if you are continuing with your course in electrical installation and electrotechnical systems, okay? Excuse me. Okay. Safe Testing, okay, Unit 307. And just make sure this you can read it for yourself. You don't need me now to continue to read this to you. Okay. Okay. Outcome 4. The test to be carried out, etc. Identify the appropriate instrument. Specify the requirements for safe use of instruments, etc. State the action to be taken, etc. etc. Explain why testing is carried out, etc. And state why it is necessary to verify continuity and the methods used. Okay. Okay. Not much for me to talk about on this. Basically, it's relevant for your own information and for you to apply it accordingly. Okay. I'm making sure I get a wide pan out if I can. Of course, sometimes when I play it back, it hasn't always shown up to be the case. So, okay. And again, simply recapping what we've done previously in some cases. And you may need to look back at this for yourselves. Okay. And here's the outcomes for that we expect you, or the objectives I should say, to be more precise, that we expect in session 5. Okay. Now remember, you can pause the video as you go through it, so you can acquire the information more precisely. And again, make sure you're compliant with the 18th edition of the IE regs, and bear in mind that there will be a 19th edition of the IET regulations. So again, be aware of that, and keep in mind the changes which may occur in either case. And here you have the sequence of tests. Okay. Now, why do we test in this sequence? And the reasons are here. You're quite capable of reading this for yourselves. I don't need to go for this for you. Okay. Okay, test results, and again here you can see that basic protection and fault protection. Okay, and remember your ADS, automatic disconnection of supply. Okay, and know what that means in its fullest of terms. Test instruments. Okay, again you can read this for yourselves, don't need me to be reading this for you at all in any shape or form. Let me just make sure I can pan back, now we get it in full screen. Okay. Okay, I want to make sure that this is fully visible to everyone. Okay, and here's your measuring instrument. Okay, let's just go to that first. Okay, so you can make sure you get a good view of it. And that is the information that tells you about it. Okay, again, I don't need to be reading this out to you, you're quite capable of doing that for yourselves. Again, you can know how to pause the video and utilize that for comprehending and requiring the information that you require, especially when you're doing your projects. Okay. Nothing to say here. Basically, I'm just providing you with the slides information, okay, and mainly now for you to read and to apply it for yourselves. Phase rotation instruments, okay. And again, you should read this for yourselves and acquire the required information. I will not read this out to you. This is, you can quite comprehend this at your own level. And here you have the checking of test instruments. Okay. Calibration. Okay. Okay, using the test instruments. Okay, again, this is for you to comply with. Okay, make sure you understand what you're doing and the reason for this type of application. Incorrect method of connecting leads or correct method of connecting leads. Look at how that is done. It matters. Okay. Okay. Now here I've simply said see if you can set yourself 15 questions from the information provided in the PowerPoint. Now the reason for this is that if you are able to set yourself some questions each case, then it provides a form of revision, self-learning revision for you to understand and comprehend. Okay. Okay, that's it for me for today. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.